Hey, what's up, guys? It's Due Diligence Daily. Always doing my due diligence, and you should too. So, what we got going on here today is Zonelytics Accumulation Dashboard. And I'm really into a lot of these tools because I feel like we have the technology that can really make a difference right now. And it's just mind blowing to me how people don't even see it. But let me give you a breakdown right now. The truth is that most traders lose money after the move. Smart money wins before it starts. If you're buying breakouts, you're too late. Accumulation happens when charts look boring. So the problem is sideways price action isn't random. It's when institutions quietly build positions, right? And this is why it's the accumulation dashboard. So what we got here is dashboard. You can add your assets. You've got your alerts. You've got your alert rules. What I like about alert rules is you can create price below, above, a change in percentage, a score above, a zone entry, a high confluence zone, and so on and so forth. Receive post notifications. So if you know about webhooks, you can enter in your webhook to give you that post notification. And how urgent is that alert? Is it a high? Is it critical? Those are important things. You got active, inactive. So let's start off with dashboard, right? We're live right now. I'll just hit a quick refresh. Okay, we have no assets added. Right now I'm currently in pro, but if you go to Zonelytics.ca, it's free for anybody that wants to sign up. You get 3 ticker symbols free, but the unlimited plan, the pro plan gives you everything. You get basic accumulation analysis, advanced multi-time frame plans, custom alerts and rules, real-time price updates every 30 seconds rather than every 2 minutes, AI opportunity alerts, and priority support right here at support@zonelytics.ca. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. This thing is so cool. I'm going to add BTC, ETH, Solana. I like AVAX. Let's see what's going on with AVAX. I like Tau. Man, I like Tau. I like what Tau is doing. Shout out BitTensor community. Uniswap was getting some volume earlier. Okay, let's just do these ones for now. Okay, so I already kind of did a score base on some of these, but it's good to refresh them and update them every so often because it'll even tell you last updated. Okay. Let's see what we got for Tau. Let's see what we got for Tau. Okay, Uniswap. Okay, 568. We got an accumulation score of 70. I don't know what was going on just now with Tom. Might be my connection, but okay. So accumulation score of 70. What it shows you is the trend alignment. You get a value discount, volatility setup, flow positioning, regime adjustment. It also tells you the zones, the buying zones, all zone B targets, short term, mid term, long term. This is for educational purposes, so you always want to do your due diligence and go and put it to the test with the information you already have and make sure it aligns. Make sure it's a confluence to what you already have, right? So we got short term, mid term, long term. It kind of gives you the zones, the confluence of the zones in percentages. You get an execution plan, which can say like the invalidation, where you stop putting in. You can allocate 20% at 590, 20% at 580. However you want to do it, just be smart, okay? This is not something that's written in stone, so please, please, please do your own homework. Trend line structure, trend and structure. Neutral short-term trend with potential for reversal. Oversold conditions indicate by RSI and Stochastic RSI. We got value and discount. Current price below moving averages to suggest potential undervaluation. Recent whale accumulation at lower price levels. Volatility setup. Let's see what we got here. Price fluctuations within a defined range. Absence of extreme volatility spikes. Okay, we got flow and positioning. Increased exchange outflows indicating buying interest. Negative net flow suggesting spot side accumulation. Unification. Proposal passed 99.9% approval. Upcoming token burn reducing circulating supply by 16%. Now that's good stuff. We like when things can potentially become deflationary and when it starts burning its token. It also says risk and invalidation. Let's make sure that we read this part. Key risk. Market volatility may lead to price fluctuations outside anticipated ranges. Regulatory changes could impact Uniswap's operations and token value. Technological issues or security breaches may affect platform performance, so always keep these things in mind. I don't know how many times I'm going to say it, but I'm going to keep saying it because as humans, we have a tendency of always thinking of the upside before we think of the downside, right? And I'm not saying to be fearful because truth is, I like Warren Buffett's saying where it's be greedy when those are fearful and fearful when those are greedy. And trust me, in a lot of this fear, I've been getting greedy. Alternative scenario. If bearish market conditions persist, Uni could test lower support levels around $5, necessitating reassessment of accumulation strategies. Okay. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and then you can leave a comment and let me know what you think of this tool. And if this is something that you're interested in, please go to Zonelytics.ca. Try it out for free. All you got to do is sign up. And then there's a payment link when you upgrade to the Pro plan. If you're having any issues, you just shoot me an email at support@Zonelytics.ca. Okay? Let's take a look at another one. See if we can get that reading on Tau here. Okay. So, Tau, we got a 65 accumulation score, medium confidence. Same thing, trend alignment, value discount, flow positioning. So let's see. Tau is currently trading at 219, showing neutral market sentiment. Technical indicators suggest a slight bearish trend with the price below key moving averages. Accumulation is recommended in short-term and mid-term zones with conservative accumulation in long-term. Okay, let's go right down to neutral trend with slight bearish momentum. We got trading below 50-day moving average, moderate volatility with potential for short-term gains, stable trading volume with no significant inflows or outflows, and no immediate catalyst identified. Invalidation conditions and key risk. It's good to always read this after you read the evidence analysis. An alternative scenario, if Tau breaks above the 50-day moving average and shows bullish momentum, accumulation plan may be adjusted to capitalize on upward movement. Who doesn't like some more gains, right? All right, you guys get the point. I'm going to let you guys play around and have fun. Like I said, you get three assets on your watch list that you can get the analysis for. And let me know what you think, please. I want to get everybody's input on this and how I could potentially make it better. Things you may want to see.